Is going on, YouTube? Welcome back. If you're new, welcome aboard. Yo, bits for Buddy. Roots, thank you, dude. Is he even here? Did you hear him? My cat might be on the prowl. Roots, thank you. Much appreciated, man. Thanks. But hey, YouTube, perfect timing. Welcome back. If you're new, welcome aboard. As always, we're streaming live on Twitch. What's up, Twitch? Tuesday, Thursday, 6 o'clock Eastern. Sundays at noon, if you can't make 6 o'clock, dude. We got some big plans today. We're not going to accomplish some of them, but I think we're going to accomplish some other of them. Alright, we got this big old factory over here. I've decided this is no longer going to be a factory. This is now going to be a plant, where previously we were just going to be making steel products. We're going to be making steel and computers and encased beams all in this general area, and then shipping them back to base with the truck that's currently out of fuel. Oh yeah, and fuel to fuel this truck that is currently out of fuel. See how that works? It all connects, buddy. It all connects. So anyway, that's the plan for today. Got a whole bunch of garbage in my inventory. Think it'll last us for a little bit. And first things first, we got a MAM ready to go. What do we got? What do we got here? Were you able to get one of the alternate computer recipes? Ooh, no. But honestly, the alternates that we do have, they're going to help out tremendously with the computer. So I'm really not that worried about it. Let's see here. This could be a big pick too, because we need cable for computers. Quick wire cable. That is the worst idea I think I've ever heard. It's gonna be a no from me. 100 a minute versus what? 30? Holy. Whoa. We are potentially gonna be making rubber, because what we want to do requires rubber and petroleum coke. Honestly, this is kind of a good idea. I picked insulated cable because rubber is pretty easy to make. That is true. We have way too much rubber. Like it's idiotic how much rubber we have. Or not even. We don't even have it. It's just currently flooding into the sink. Honestly, coated cable kind of, I don't know, it kind of hits the spot for me a little bit. I mean, it's another thing that we can use. Whatever this is called. Heavy oil residue. I mean, that's a good point about this rubber, though. Dude, and the fact that it's 100 a minute, that's kind of crazy, right? Is it not? That seems kind of wild to me. More than triple the speed? Yo. I guess it's from constructor to assembler, so I guess that kind of makes sense. I like insulated cable. Let's do it, man. Yo, did we have one more, or was that our last hard drive for now? I think that is it. Alright, not too bad. Could have been a lot worse. My camera, I think, fell down a little bit too. I see myself coming out of the frame. That's better. How's it going? What up, Henry George? It is going well, sir. How are you? How are you? Happy Thursday. We got all kinds of shenanigans about to take place, dude. First things first. Let's get to where we need to go pretty quickly here. Oh, man. Oh, dude, I love it. Let's load in a little bit. No big deal. It's going all right. Yo, that's better than not all right. That's what I always say. Man, look how fast. So fast. Yeah, you pay an energy penalty and bring in a second ingredient. So they have to give you the throughput boost to make up for it. Yeah, that makes sense. Dude, I love this already, man. Whoa. That was almost bad. Kind of makes sense. But it's still kind of scary. Alright, so we currently have a ton of iron that we're not using. Living on the edge. I get it. Get a ton of iron. Did I scare you there? Ton of iron that we are not using. Which, it's kind of queued up. Well, steel. You know what I mean. It's kind of queued up to come in here and start making beams. That was kind of the point. But guess what we're going to do instead? I kind of want to maybe build us out a little bit. Also, why are you not doing anything? Oh, because it's probably jammed up because the truck is out of ingredients. Makes sense. I say the recipe I need to get next is instant aluminum scrap. Is that like the... There's one that is just like water and bauxite. Is that the one you're talking about? Alright, so we're not going to use this because now we actually have some fancy blueprints that I kind of want to try out. So firstly, turn on Zoop. That's just kind of how we do things around here. And yeah, there are like 3 different facets. And I'm literally planning this on the fly. Trademark. Because I was gonna go do the oil near base. But I have a feeling there's some oil not too far from here. Oh my god, I'm so wrong. Wow. So very wrong. God dang it, man. Alright, so 1,600 meters, 1,700 meters. Alright, so that might cause some problems. Huh. Interesting. Interesting. Well, in that case, we got some things that we need to think about, right? We need oil for the computer part. Okay, let's pull up computer real quick. For the computer part, we need for circuit boards, we needed around an oil setup. And then it needs just plastic in general, which is understandable. This is a weird one. So now it kind of makes me want to only do steel here. Well, and we could do steel and we could do beams still. Maybe train time instead. That's a good point. I tell you what, let's start setting up some encased beams. And try and clean up this factory a little bit. I think that would be very important. Oh, nothing is currently in or going in to our port. That's kind of important. Alright, where was the final level? It's like way down here, right? Yeah, that. Yo, it looks so ominous, dude. The manufacturer out. It looks like you're about to make, like, the Tesla. Like a Tesla's just about to roll out of there, man. I love it. Alright, how far can we go? Oh. Oh, that's cool. That is no problem. Okay, slight problem. The black box beast. Bro, say that 5 times fast, man. Black box beast. See, first time messed it up. I wish that was intentional. Alright, I think we're gonna want to build like a pillar. Maybe a pillar of some sort. Cybertruck just pops out of the manufacturer. Heck yeah, dude. Heck yeah, dude. Alright, let's do like... Oh, dude, we got like architecture and stuff. Alright, we'll start with this. Because why not? So that's like there. I bet that's like halfway. Why not, dude? Oh my god, it was the wrong one. Alright, you know what that means? No support, dude. No support. Let's just get a big old pillar. Something like that. And let's see if you can just kind of come on over here. Yo, that kind of works. Kinda. It doesn't not work. You know what I mean? Also, why are you going the wrong direction? That's a big issue. Dude, so is deleting that conveyor elevator right there. Whoa! Hello. Immediately runs over 20 birds. Dude, if I buy a car of any kind and you can tell that it's just gunning for birds, I don't know what that would entail, really. But like, you can just tell. You're like, I shouldn't be... Car should be able to swerve a little bit better than this, but it has like a mind of its own and it's going for birds. I'm gonna return it. I'm going to. I don't care if I don't have a receipt or if that's quote unquote not how it works. You know what I mean? Okay. You are loading. That is correct. Green means it's coming out, right? Yeah. Then this needs to go down. Alright, cool. Something like so. I mean, they do have that, like, waterfall sound, right? With electric cars now. Because they're so quiet. Yo, did you know that? They're so quiet. It's literally a safety hazard. So they add, like, an ambient sound to alert pedestrians and stuff when they're driving by. How crazy is that, man? Technology literally went so far and like optimized it to the point of making no noise that it's like too dangerous for society, and they had to adjust. How crazy is that? Let's put it on top, man. Let's not be hooligans about it. Something like that. It's actually kind of nice. It's like Battery Butterfly. What'd you say it was? Like a waterfall in the rainforest that they like manipulated or something? Or was it like No, it wasn't birds chirping. It was something. It was something for sure. Alright, so if I want to make... Oh, I can't even. We need assemblers. Oh, no. Alright, let's look at our little blueprints here, man. Let's look at our blueprints. 3 assemblers, trademark. I love trademarking things that have no business being trademarked. Okay, so... How does this work? How does this work again? I feed it... Excuse me. I feed it from this side. The birds chirping is the lock noise for the Vivian. Got you. I think that's hilarious. Art imitates life, you know? Alright, something like that. And then we just build it long ways, right? Rivian. Oh, that's right. I was curious what a Vivian was, to be honest. I just kind of let it roll, though. I was like, she knows what she's talking about. I'm like, who am I to correct her? Alright, let's just keep it on going. I'm curious, is Rivian even a... It's a national brand, right? Like, it's not just like a Michigan thing. That's not really how the automotive industry works, I guess. Watch this, man. We're gonna even put ladders. How about that? Just, you know, one or two ladders. They just made a deal with VW? Yo, really? Bro, catch all of your automotive news from Battery Butterfly's podcast, dude. All about the automotive industry and why you should hate it as much as her. Something like that. Alright, I bet 6 is good enough for now. Yeah, why not, dude? You do? Nice, nice, nice. Hello? I was about to say, man, you're supposed to have a belt there, if I'm not mistaken. Alright, so now that we got that almost hooked up, let's take a look real quick, right? So do we want pipes then? Or do we want beams? Oh, it was pipes, right? Pipes are just so much better. Pretty sure that's how that worked, right? Alright, so 28 a minute. And let's see. You can just copy and paste all of these. Pipes? Got you. Yeah, it was like, it's not different other than just better, right? If you're going to be making both, you might as well just make pipes. Because you make a lot more of them. They take way less steel. Sorry for like sniffing into the mic like a madman. Hold on, stand by. I'm back. Sorry about that. I was like, jeez. Alright, so I already forgot how many. 28 a minute, and we got 6 of them right now. That seems kind of nice. Wrong button. Alright, 26 times 6. 28. That's what I thought. I'm like, something, that's not right. Just looked at it, dude. Okay, so 168 pipes. How many pipes you make, brother? You make 20 a minute. That's cute. Alright, so with 28... Yeah, this is really weird. Hold on. That doesn't really go into it as a good number, like at all. Alright, that's fine. I think... excuse me. Man, something's going on, dude. I think going into it with 168 isn't that big of a deal. Well, hold on. Wait, better idea. Better idea. If we do like one more. Another 28. Be 196. Hold on. What if we do 9? 252. And then we can set it to 260. And then just dial it back for the last one. Because then we would only need what? 260. 8 and 2 fits. Yeah, but bigger is better. Yeah, yeah. Because if we're doing 260, that's what? 8 of them? How much cement? Dude, I would guess a lot. However, yo, actually, how do I, like, real talk, how do I pull up the to-do list, man? Like this? No. Because can't you, like, write down numbers? It's a new day. We're learning about to-do lists and stuff. 20 a minute, that's not too bad. Right? That's not crazy. No, honestly, I'm not even that worried because these aren't even at like 50. They're not even at 50% power, either of them. We have plenty of room to grow. So I think we're going to be okay. Next thing, let's take a look at output, right? You have to add one thing to the list. Then you can add notes. Oh, lame. Let's add a metal beam. Oh, sick. Public notes. Alright, so we got 9. Yeah. 9 assemblers. Hold on. So we got 9. We can just say like 9 times 28 is, I don't like saying equals, is almost 260. Let's take a look there. All right, that's kind of nice. Wait, that's really nice, dude. 252. All right, it's not that great to actually access it though. 252. And then we're gonna say it's what? 9 times 20 is, what's that? 180? 180. All right, so we need 180 concrete, cement, pipe. Cool. All right, so now output, right? You're making 4 a minute. Okay, we can throw all of this on one belt, right? The output for sure. What about the in? Wait, that actually works perfect, right? Isn't 270 like our max? Yo. Yo. Click very close to the right of the screen to access it. Gotcha. Wait, that's actually kind of sick. So in theory, we should be able to do this. Wait, timeout. Yes, something like this. What about that one? Oh, dude, I think I put them wrong. Just that one, though. And maybe that one. Dude, what? You know what I'm saying? Do you see it? It's like turned. What is life? That was a little scary, I'm not gonna lie to you. It's like, what's your deal? Oh, you. Dude, what? How did that even happen? Oh, wait, no. Wait. This is on purpose. Because that's that one. And then that is... Okay, no. We're good. I think we're okay. That just connects to, like, that one? You would think that I would know this, because we just built these. No, of course not, dude. Alright, so that's the 2 of them connected. Let's make one more. Dude, I'm telling you, with these blueprints, we're gonna fire this up this episode, I think. How crazy is that? The amount of time that this is saving. That is crazy, dude. That looks right. Yeah. Yeah, something like this. Then all we gotta do is hook those up underneath. Here, you know what? While we're thinking about it as well, that was dumb. While we are thinking about it, let's make this one... what did we need it? It's almost 260, yeah, but what was it, though? God, I'm so smart, dude. 252. Alright. 252, so you only need to make 20? Oh, God. We're gonna get it close, then guess. You need to make 20, or take 20, rather. Oh, what if we do, like, what's 3? 21? Can't do it. What's 2.8? Oh, man. 2.85? 2.9? No. 2.86? 2.855? Alright, 2.86 it is. Good enough, man. So that's taking 20 while all the other ones are taking 28. Make sure these settings are copied. Dude, we're cooking with gasoline right now. That was intentional, to be honest. Just a little bit of catwalk over nothing. We'll take that. Alright, so you gotta connect it like that. Connect that guy. Connect that, and all 9 of them are linked up, which is cool. And then we just kind of need it to come back, right? So, do something like this. Here, what if we just say, like, put it there and rotate it? Make it work. Comply. That looks weird. That's pretty good. Alright, and then we can just run it all the way back. As far as we can. You beat me to it? I knew it was coming, man. Yo, anybody see, like, a green line of some sort, or no? That looks about right to me. Maybe one more? I honestly do not know. Okay, this is, like, directly on the little catwalk. Directly on the catwalk. That's too far, so that's gotta be it. Alright. Okay, this is gonna be our output. That's a green line. Ah, man, we kind of want to... I guess we can always move the ladder, right? Like right next to it? Dude. Visionary. Visionary, dude. Okay. So, one of these has to be...
Let's go,
Let's go, dude. Thanks, Roots. One of these has to be a bunch of concrete. The other one has to be a bunch of pipes. So I think, first things first, I'm glad we did not finish hooking these up, because we are going to do something kind of similar, like right here. Because we need, what, 260, so we need 13 constructors. 13 constructors, that's just for... Yeah, that seems about right. That is just for the pipes. Whoa. And then 20 by 9. But then this one's less. But what's 20 by 9? That's your 180. Then how much, or how many rather? Yeah, look at all this garbage we got, man. It's beautiful. How many bags of cement do we create? So, like, hypothetically, say we want to do concrete. What is it? 15 a minute per? 10, 40? You were plates, right? Please tell me you were plates. Okay, I think they were. Oh wait, don't we have wet concrete now? Yo, we do. And all we need for that is water and cement, bro. Little secret, we have a bunch of cement. All right, we need 80 a minute. And what did I say? 180? So we just need 3 refineries. Or what is it? Yeah, 3 refineries. Set up for concrete. That's kind of cool. Honestly, it would make more sense to do it down there than ship up finished concrete, I think. Dude, I'm really glad we just did all of this with just this normal cement, man. Oh, that's so dumb. Alright, so I think pretty easily we should be able to adjust this, right? So we just need to figure out, just check how much concrete we were actually making. Which I believe this, all of this was idle because we weren't actually producing. 30. 45. So we're only needing 50 concrete. Really? That's kind of crazy. Yes, then you don't have to pipe the water up. Very true. Very true. Power line. Yo, dude. Nice. Then we just gotta connect that. Bro, I love this already. And then this is like done. Once we throw something in the inn. Alright, so if we just set up 3... Piping water upwards is fun. I have one pipe that has 5 Mark II pumps on it. Whoa! Goes from the ocean to the top of a mountain. Sounds like my Ark base, dude. That's how I play Ark for some reason. I'm like, I love being able to see everything. And now I can't do anything at all until I get a Quetzal. It's kind of how I play the game. I don't know why I do it to myself, but it's kind of fun. Alright, so we need some refineries, dude. Let's just straight up, hold on. Let's not get crazy. Alright. First things first. Let's make like an actual little pad for it, huh? How about that? Okay, so I want to use this to bring the concrete up. And that can just pump right in this way. That'll turn pump this way. Okay. Also, that's gonna bug the living Christ out of me, so hold on. It's worth it, dude. It didn't even... Can you not destroy the berries? Hurry, before I do it again. I'm gonna do it again, man. Alright, well. You live and you learn. You know what, man? Hold on. It earned it. Welcome to the team, man. Welcome to the friggin' team. He made it. So can you really not destroy him? Whatever, man. It's like a pet. Now it's a pet. Chainsaw or run over with a truck. But a grenade doesn't do it? Honestly, game, sometimes. Sometimes, dude. Alright, let's throw some refinery. I'm thinking 1 on one side. Go figure. Yeah. Yeah. Or we could just do all 3 of them on this side. Oh no, better idea. Let's bring it out a little bit more and like do it in front of it. To show that we are still making progress even though it stood in the way of it. To make it feel bad. Alright. How are we looking with this? It's on. That's wonderful news. Good stuff. Shipping water in via train. Yo! That's a cool idea. Because they got like water tanks and stuff. Like train cars with water tanks, right? Floor's too steep right there if you're wondering. Yeah, I'd rather that than it just float, I think. Good enough. Alright, so now... if I want you to be wet concrete, how about that? You need 120 a minute. I think we're okay, but initially that did scare me. 120 a minute? What are you? You can make 120. Might need to overclock this one. Or is there another limestone somewhere? Okay, so we can get 240. I think we just overclock both of these by 150%, right? Dude, how about that? We're actually planning in terms of overclocking. Or there's one right there. Honestly, I think the slug would be faster. I think we even have some in our little base up there too. Alright. So that is what we will plan on. Because 150 should be... Nah, calm down. Calm down, dude. 150 is enough, right? Yeah, we're gonna find out. We are gonna find out. Don't really need this. Remain calm. Bro, nobody freak out. Nobody freak out, dude. Also, you need 100 water a minute. Okay. Need to place this in deep water? Are you serious? My man. Like, are they kidding? It's literally in, like, a rapids. Is that not deep enough for you? What if I do something like this? Has to be swimmable water. Is this not swimmable? Oh yeah, that's just kind of being destroyed, huh? Wait. Yeah, dude, what about this? What about that? And here I am. It is me. It is I. So what if we put this on top then? No, it really just doesn't like this water, huh? What if we do something like this? And then we put it on it. Oh, nope. Okay. Well, we tried. So it has to be swimmable water. How does one decide or determine if it's swimmable or not, other than jumping in and hoping you don't immediately die? Closer to waterfall, maybe? Yo, that looks like a boat. That looks like a boat, huh? The rapids is just texture, there's no current? Oh, okay. I mean, that texture is something to behold, man. Man, if only this was deep water, though. If only. Alright, so that might be a problem. You said there's no current? Oh, hey. You can actually see directly underneath it, huh? That seems pretty deep to me, dude. I'm just saying, dude. I may just build factories for a living, but that looks like deep enough water to suck some water up. You know what I mean? So do we think down here? Because now we're getting further and further away. It kind of defeats the purpose, man. Got a little hatcher over here. Sir, hello. Now, if they think this is deep enough... No, that's a geyser, right? Chill. Relax. So there's no way this is deep enough then, right? That's kind of a problem, I think. I bet we can get this water, though. That is so dumb, dude. It's a giant lake, but it's a ways off. Dude, you know what? It makes way more sense to bring the concrete, the cement up, because there's a lake right there. You know what I mean? There's a huge lake. What am I doing? It would probably make even more sense. Okay. We should probably even use these for the iron. Do we have the pure iron, actually, now that I think about it? We do not. But if we did, can you imagine? Like over there, right? That's probably gonna be the best spot. Let's scope it out. Let's go scope it out. See what's going on. I'll hydrate. I mean, we could pipe the water down if we wanted to. That is so funny. But we even already have this built. So like, I'm committing. Instantly committing. We're not putting it down there. We're putting it up here. Because we needed two things, right? You need the limestone and you need the water. We already have a way for the limestone to get up there. Alright. Death. Death. Just like a little bit. Just like a little bit, dude. Thank you. That's already coming up. The nice thing with piping water down is no pumps needed. See, that's kind of what I was thinking about. But like, why pump it down to then bring up the product on conveyor belts? You know what I mean? Other than it would be kind of fun. It wouldn't even be like that fun, you know? It's just more work. Where instead, if we put the refineries like here, pump it straight into there, I bet we won't really need any... Yo, no, that's some deep water, dude. I bet we won't even need that many pumps, if any. Oh, no, we're gonna need some. Definitely gonna need some, but that's okay. Alright, first thing I want to see, because I do not know. Alright, we still have the Mark 1 pipe. That's going to be slightly problematic. Kind of. You have the Mark 2 pumps? No. I don't think so. That's okay. It's not too crazy. 20 meters, I mean, we'll get there. Alright, so, what I think we're going to do, because we need, what was it, 100 per? Wait, that's perfect, actually. Was it 100 per? This is for science? It was 100 per. So we only need, quick math, 300 water. Which is actually kind of perfect. We do something like this. We do something like this. Wait, hold on, I forgot. They actually, they do snap. I just wasn't doing it right. Oh, here, let's do like a little walkway, though. Yeah, I like that. Just a little walkway. Nice. So who knows, maybe we will want to expand. Here, just to give it something to snap. I think we can do that. Give me a water extractor. Resource is not deep enough? I disagree. That's unfortunate. If it's saying this isn't deep enough, I might have a stroke just right here. No, we're good. Okay. So, let's take a look at that. Don't do that, please. That's fair. Building cannot be nudged. Dude, since when? I will not. Sorry. Sorry for the scare. Why can't it be nudged is my question. I guess let's get it as close as we can. With just a little bit of room. Do something like this. And then with 120, because you could nudge it into an invalid position. Fair enough. That's kind of fair for any of them, right? Like any building. Right? I mean, I put factories, not factories, I put coal power plants inside of mountains all the time. That's like my, that's my bread and butter. I do that for breakfast. I don't get out of bed unless I can stick something in a mountain. You know what I mean? Just the kind of guy I am. Alright, anyway. Let's do something like this. And then we're gonna get 300 perfect. So we only need the one pipe, which is sweet. What's less sweet is if this is gonna work or not. So I bet it's not going to. But it's a resource pump that requires... Oh, that's fair. Kind of the same way like miners can't be nudged. That makes sense. Good point. Good point. Alright. Trying to think about how we actually want to do this. What? What? Dude. Alright. If we do something like that. Is that even straight? Eh, kinda. No. Bad. Bad. Ah, it's cheap. Oh man, you would think this is the easy part. You would think. You would be wrong. Or right. And I'm just bad at it. It's probably possible. Alright. So now that's not that bad. Now if we just get rid of this guy and do something like that. Go ahead and pipe you on down here. Hold on. That's not that bad. Why not? And take this out. Put another junction. Like here. I'm gonna save real quick. Because pipes are, sketchy. Pretty sketchy, dude. Alright, now we just gotta get it up. No. Don't take that out of context. Good call, thank you. Alright, let's go this way. I'm pretty sure if you connect it to the network, then when you go to put pumps, it'll like help you out, right? I think that's what we learned last time. Oh, dude. We have a jetpack now. How about that? Yep, let's just nonchalantly just run this through the foliage. That's not that bad. Whatever, dude. And then we can bring it up this way. And this will be where we kinda where we make nice. Our, what are they, refineries? I always forget. They're still kind of new to me anyway. Which this works out really well, because then all of this cement, limestone, can just come right into all of these, dude. It's working out kind of nice. Kind of nice, dude. I guess really the biggest thing is now we don't want to, like, encroach onto this. Because they are pretty big, dude. Pretty big. Really fine refineries. See what you did there? See what you did there? I'm picking up what you're laying down. What's the furthest this way we would want? Well, that exceeds the nudge distance, so that's going to be a problem. What about, like, here? Oh, hey. Oh, wow. They are very tall. That was a Mazda. I forgot how tall they were. Huh. Quite tall, about 36 meters tall. Yeah, I didn't realize that till just this moment. Huh. About that. Not really a huge fan of that. We're just gonna put it next to him, I think. Yeah. Or, yo, better idea. Better idea, dude. Hold on. Bear with me here. Let's find ways to shove them in the mountain, dude. We're gonna get them in there. This will be a start. Yeah. It's gonna look sick, dude. I think the fuel generators are slightly taller than refineries. Dude, sounds like a horror show. Okay. Evening, sir. On vacation? Almost forgot about the stream. Bro, you're on vacation. Go get out of here, dude. Thanks for stopping by. What up, Commander? Where are you on vacation at? Like, give me the coordinates. I'm pulling up. I hope it's not somewhere tropical, because I'm not really a tropical guy myself. But I'll make it work. Minneapolis? Dude, I'm there. Not right now, but like, give me a couple hours. It's kind of a road trip. Hashtag en route. Alright, hold on now. Hold on now. You there for the old family? Or you just kind of enjoying the... That's the Twin Cities, right? Minneapolis? I don't know. I'm not from there, dude. Dude, this is gonna work. This is gonna work. It's gonna look so dumb, but it's gonna work. Gotta be a better way to do this. Get out of the Upper Peninsula, fair enough. Get somewhere warm like Minneapolis. Sure, it's a big change from the Upper Peninsula. Take you 18 minutes to get there. Yeah, aren't you in like... You're like up in like Iron Mountain territory, right? Somewhere that has a micro center? My man. I think so, since the Minnesota Twins. Oh, that's a good point. I have never made that connection. 6-hour drive? Oh, alright. I've never made that connection. That makes so much sense. Makes so many sense, dude. So many. Alright, I've given up, by the way. I think, because of how this is set up. Well, honestly, this isn't that big of a deal. And I actually just realized the biggest problem that we had was this. However, this isn't gonna stay. All this has to get... Well, this probably is all gonna stay, but... Here, we'll do this for now. Yeah, something like that. Find that unless I want unnecessarily tall buildings, I have to keep refineries in open air. I can definitely see that, dude. Definitely see that. Let's filter G. Yeah, yeah. Alright, but here, I kind of want to go quick. Just so that we aren't not producing anything for a while. Because, like, look, now it just makes so much more sense to just do it open air. Right here. Exactly where we had it before. And I went up there, I was like, oh man, we can't put it there. We got, like, 2 conveyor belts that we're gonna have to move anyway. It's impossible. Alright, that was a mistake. That should not have happened. Sorry. Pretend like I didn't do that. Alright, man. And pretend like it's not the end of the episode, because it is. Whoa! Cliffhanger! Whoa! Hope you enjoyed. If you did, click the like button. Helps out a great deal. Subscribe if you want to see more in the future. All that good stuff. Got daily uploads. Stream 3 to 5 times a week on Twitch. And we have a Discord. But yeah, that's it, man. That's me. I'm calm. I'll see you in the next one. See ya!